Here is Riya Chakravarti, who's reached the CBI office in Mumbai. She's going to be facing fourth round of grilling at the hands of the Central Bureau of Investigative Agency. They are now investigating every angle of abatement to suicide, murder if at all. It was financial irregularities, and now even the new drug angle which is currently being probed. That's Riya Chakravarti's car there. She's just arrived at the CBI's office in Mumbai. She's going to be asked a good number of questions. This is the fourth round of grilling. In fact, just yesterday she was grilled for about 9 hours. That's Riya Chakravarti there, who just steps in to the CBI office at the DRDO office in Mumbai. She just enters. Riya Chakravarti's brother, also likely Shouvik, towing right behind her. Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik now at the CBI office. They've just arrived. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, Riya Chakravarti has arrived. All right, we're going to patch Mustafa back. Now cutting across to Vidya. Vidya, Riya Chakravarti has just reached the CBI office. Fourth round of questioning. She's come in with Shouvik, is it? Her brother.
Yes, she has entered the guest house, DRDO guest house, where the CBI office is currently located. There, right here, this is the fourth day of questioning. Remember, Riya Chakravarti has already faced over 25-26 hours of questioning. Further questioning has already started as soon as she enters, and the moment the questioning will today revolve around, the June 18 and June 14, the crucial days. It's around that time the entire mystery really lies, and that's the reason why the CBI is harping much on those days and questioning Riya again and again, over and over again, and putting the same questions to the other staff members as well, and questioning about those few days. So it is the repeated questioning that could get some clue to the CBI officers. They know it, and that's the reason why this persistent questioning is still happening.
Right, Vidya, do stay with us. Now we're cutting across back to Mustafa Sheikh for more details. Mustafa, take us through Riya Chakravarti, who's just arrived with Shouvik, her brother. What do you think is going to be the line of questioning today? We understand that the CBI is going to keep it clear and clean. What she's been asked for the last 3 days will be now posed again to her, just to see if any of the statements that she'd made over the last 3 days will be different today.
Yes, of course, her car has entered. She has this time come in her own car, which is a Jeep Compass, a black color car which entered this gate of this DRDO guest house where the CBI team is present. It was escorted by a Mumbai police vehicle. It rushed inside, and now it's the fourth day of questioning, which starts with Riya Chakravarti. It's the fifth time with her brother Shouvik. The line of questioning pretty much is something which will come out as to what happens with the questioning of Gaurav Arya, because remember, he somehow seems to be the key and the link between Riya Chakravarti and Sushant case, because he is an unexplored angle. As we said, CBI has almost questioned Riya Chakravarti on all the available topics, but they are now gathering new information on the drug angle. That is something which they don't know much about. Whether Gaurav Arya is able to give some clue to the Enforcement Directorate, which will be passed on to the CBI, so that the investigation with Riya Chakravarti can reach some conclusion. It's something we'll have to wait and see as the day progresses. Back to you, Nabila.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.